Hello guys and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we will be looking at another prototype method of an array which is called reduce. Basically this is kind of a very tricky prototype method of an array, but let me tell you one thing. Basically what is reduce is reduce means you are reducing your array to a single value. It can be anything. In our case, we want to do what we want to do with this array. We want to sum all the values in a single value. So it will, in our case, it will be a value of number. All right. So arr dot reduce, and it takes a callback function. And inside the callback function it takes two parameters. The first one is ACC, which is accumulator, and the second one is current value, right? So what it will do basically, this callback function will iterate over each element, right? In the current value, if I come over here and console.log current value, as you can see that we are getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And if I come over here and write ACC, then we are getting 1. So in the reduce, the first parameter is our callback function, and the second one is going to be the value of the accumulator, and in our case it should be 0, right? Now as you can see that the number the current value is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is this accumulator? It's like whenever it will iterate over each element, it will hold the value. For example, what we are going to be doing, we will be adding this value 1 plus 2, so this 1 plus 2 equal to 3. It will save inside accumulator. When it will come again toward the next element, then this accumulator will have a value of 3, and then it will add this 3 with the next element, right? So for example, let me show you. In the first case, we have accumulator with 0, right? And our current value is 1. So the accumulator, on the first iteration, the accumulator value will become 1. 0 plus 1, 1, right? In the second iteration, our accumulator will have a value of 1, and our current will have a value of 2. Then if we add both of them, then it will become 3. And the next iteration, the accumulator value will be 3 and the current value is going to be 3, and the addition will become 6. In the next iteration, the accumulator will be 6 and current will be 4, and the addition is going to be 10, right? In the next value, the accumulator will be 10 and current is going to be 5, then the value will become 15. And in the next iteration, the accumulator will have a value of 15 and the current will have a value of 6, and the accumulator will become 21. And when it will try to find the next element, then it will get undefined, so it will return this 21 to the reduce method. So if I come over here and write something like this, ACC plus current value, and if I console.log this reduce method which we have just wrote, then as you can see that we are getting the 21 in our response. So this is how the reduce work behind the scene. I try my best to explain you in a very simple and easy way. So I hope this makes sense. So this is all from this video. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.